Hello everyone, this is Harshita Bish from the Admissions Committee of IIM Bodh Gaya. Welcome to another episode of the Faculty Interaction Series brought to you by the Admissions Committee of IIM Bodh Gaya. Today we have with us Professor Pinas Tiwari, who is a PhD from Jamia Millia Islamia. She is an assistant professor in marketing. Her interest lies in the field of tourism and she aims to be a full-time author. Welcome ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so the first question. What practical opportunities do IPM students have during their 5-year stay at IIM Bodh Gaya with respect to the field of marketing?
Okay, Harshita. So, 5 years is a big time span that IPM students spend here. While I personally believe that marketing as a subject, students live by marketing. You live these concepts of understanding consumers around you. So, we have internships, summer internships that are most of the prominent, practical opportunities that students have. But also, living a life in IIM for these 5 years, different committees have their different competitions wherein students can actually apply those marketing concepts. So there was this an event organized by Hostel and Mess Committee, Ann Mahotsav, wherein students got an opportunity to actually set up their own stalls. These in-house activities help students to become better marketeer, to understand what value has to be delivered when they are working as a marketeer themselves. So I think apart from the internship opportunities, apart from life projects that we have in different subjects, these in-house activities actually build the students to become better marketeers.
Thank you so much ma'am for your answer.
Thank you.
Okay, so second question. What skills do you believe are important for students who want to excel in the field of marketing?
Okay, while there are many, I have tried to list down into 3. One is creativity, something that can actually give them an edge as a marketer. So creativity, there is no substitute for creativity. Even using an AI will not make you a creative person. So this is something which I think gives them a complete competitive edge in the market. Second, I think is having an emotional intelligent question. In order to understand what customers want, in order to be quick enough into responding those needs, I think this is another important skill that they need to develop during their time period. And third is adaptability with respect to technology, because marketing is dynamic, and when it gets integrated with technology, you are in a better situation to serve to the customers. So I think these 3 skills are the top ones for any person to become a successful marketer.
Okay, thank you ma'am for your insights. Some third question. How can they leverage their 5-year stay around the seniors with the same field as theirs?
Okay, I think one best way is to reach out and collaborate. Like, do not shy away that what will they think if we ask basic questions. So I think that's what they'll have to get rid of. So don't be shy and collaborate with seniors as much as possible, because I have known students who were able to discuss on different business ideas, different case study competitions, and it really helps a lot, because IIM Bodh Gaya provides you multiple opportunities to excel. And collaborating and having this knowledge sharing with your seniors gives you a lot of knowledge with respect to what's happening around within the campus and outside campus, and how they can build their career better through their guidance.
Okay, thank you so much ma'am. Okay ma'am, fourth question. How do you see emerging technologies like AI or data analytics shaping the future of marketing?
Oh well, they are drastically shaping the future of marketing. Specifically, while students are still using these technologies for very I say it's for meager tasks, for low-level tasks, which is like creating content. But I think these technologies have a bigger role when they come to analyze your customer behavior. So I think that's when it's changing the dynamics of marketing, because people are able to understand what their customer wants based on the specific data that they're having. So it is helping a marketer to take proactive actions, how I can be better prepared to deal with those customers who may need certain requirements in future. So I think that's when I think it is one of the prominent feature, and every marketer has to have that technological know-how or adaptability to get into the business, right?
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for your insights. Okay, ma'am, final question. Since the JIPMAT form is live now, what would be your advice to the students who are coming from just passing class 12 through the IIM system?
Okay, I'll say to them that be as curious as you can, because one thing which makes IPM students really different from the rest of the MBA students, I will say, is their curiosity to learn and their hunger to learn more. So I think this is what I'll suggest all these students who are applying and planning to come to IIM, is to have that hunger to learn more. And I think IPM course has everything to cater to that hunger.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Thank you, ma'am, for taking the time out of your busy schedule and providing us with the meaningful insights. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, Harshita.
Thank you.